Because he hid my TV remote, I'm convinced. I told him I was turning off the dog TV so that we could watch a movie while I worked from home. Guess what's nowhere to be found? Oh, look, he's locked in. My TV remote. He knows where it's at. I don't know where it's at. Dante, where's the TV remote? So this is my Friday night. Yeah. Because I've gone on my hands and knees, flashlight and all, and I've checked every possible place it could be. Every possible place it could be. So he must have got real creative. It's gone. It's gone. I don't... Amazing.